All right, we're going to prepare to build figure 6 from our BMC lab, which is our basic motor control lab. Figure 6 can be found on page 10. In previous videos, we've demonstrated how to set up our transformer and also how to set up our motor for 3-phase with the 3 wires coming in, 3 wires going out. Our motor's been jumpered for low voltage. So we already have our power circuit done. What we're going to do is we're going to start in building our control circuit and using our wood board as our terminal strip. So we're going to bring our wood board in here. And let me kind of prop it up here. And we're going to be making figure 6 here. Let me flash that in front of the screen here. And in figure 6, we have a stop, start. We have a motor starter with overloads and a memory contact. And so we're going to begin to build this circuit. I'll set this over here in the background. Hopefully it'll stay put. And let's see if we can begin to build this circuit without too much movement here. All right. Okay. Now, to get started, our push button, we need our red push button. In a previous video, we discussed how to wire our push buttons. I see them moving here. Let's get going. And so we're going to take our stop button here, and the sign says to put it between, connection for the stop button is between 1 and 2. You guys forgive my clipboard for sliding. And so the stop button goes into 1 and 2. The start button goes into 2 and 3. So my start button is my green push button down here. I picked the normally open connections in a previous video. And so now I will put it on 2 and 3. The next thing we want to bring in is the coil of our motor starter. And so on our motor starter here, the coil connection was at the top on this particular brand. And so the coil goes into 3 and 4. And then also off of the motor starter, I need my overloads. My overloads are found in the lower left-hand corner. And so lower left-hand corner, the overloads go to 4 and 5. Okay. Also in this circuit, I need a normally open contact. The normally open contacts are found off the left or right side of the coil. And so I picked an open contact. That's the one without the slash. And our print shows that going in 2 and 3, which gives us a triple stack on 2 and 3. Now, the only other thing I need to add to my circuit here is power. If you look closely at the print, X1 after the circuit breaker goes into 1, and X2, which is our neutral, goes into 5. As we prepare to demonstrate this circuit, we'll see that what's going to happen here is when we press the green start button, it's going to energize the coil. The coil is going to magnetize and hold the memory contact in line 2 in. And that's what's going to keep the circuit running. So let's give that a try. We hit the green button. My motor's running. I'm not concerned about what direction it's running in, but it's up and running. Okay. And it's going to run continuously until I hit the stop button. Sometimes students forget to add their memory contacts, so they'll forget to add the M open contacts, and they'll get something like this where it starts, but it won't stay on. It won't stay on, and that's because the memory contact located between 2 and 3 is the M contact, is what's responsible for keeping the motor on so it runs continuously. And this is figure 6 on page BMC 10.